Hello Year 7s and welcome back to another tutorial video. So with this video we are going to be continuing on with our microbit tutorials, but we are now going to move on to our second activity. So I'm going to go through the activity, the tutorial, just get you started on it, and then I want to see if you're able to finish it off yourself without my help. So what we are going to do is, if we go onto style, we are going to be looking at the next one, which is Tutorial 2 Name Tag. So what we are going to do is we're going to click into it and we are going to go back to that same link. Now I have it open from before, but I'm going to show you something. When you open the link, it is going to have all your projects saved that you've done in the past. Now, we don't need an account. We don't have to make an account. It's all saved here. So from our last tutorial, we did the flashing heart tutorial. We are now going to move on to our next tutorial, which is name tag. So as you can see, we are moving in order of these. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the same thing as we did with the last one. We're going to click on name tag. It's going to come up with our different tutorials. And just like before, we're going to do blocks. If you want to do Python or JavaScript, you can do that after we do the blocks. So when we click on it, it's going to be the same thing. It's going to take us into the tutorial. It's going to show us what it's going to make us do. So in this one, it's saying, tell everyone who you are. Show your name on the LEDs. So as you can see with this preview, it is showing us what it wants you to do. So it's saying, my name. So obviously you're going to be putting your name in there. So if we have a look, we've still got our basics. So if we read it, it's going to say place the show string block in the forever block to repeat it. Change the text to your name. So again, we're not going to worry about this on start, so we can just move it out of the way. We're going to focus on the forever block. So remember, it's all color coded. So we have the blue to the blue, basic, and here we have our show string. Now we're going to grab that, click and hold, drag it in, it lights up, and it slots in. So if we have a look at the preview, there we go, it's come up with hello. Now what we can do is, if we click in where the text is, you can see we can type. So what we're going to do is, we're going to put our name. So I'm going to put Mr. K. So we now have a look, and it's come up with Mr. K. There we go. So as you can see, it's done the capital M, the lowercase r, and then the capital K. Now I am going to say, I think it will be easier if you do it all in capitals, because the capital letters come out better on the microbit display. So there you go, it's come out with Mr. K. If I was to do my full name, there we go. Comes up. So we've changed the text. Then it asks us the same thing. Look at the simulator and make sure it shows your name on the screen. I'm having a look. That's my name. It's showing it. Looks good. So place more show string blocks to create your story, your own story. So you can put what you want. You can write, my name is, hello. You can put multiple. Now, unfortunately, there is no way to change the speed of the lights. So if you want to write something, make it short, make it sweet, and make it appropriate. And then once we're done, it's going to ask us to do the same thing. It's going to ask us to download it and put it onto our microbit. So just like we did with the lesson before, with the past tutorial, if you need to remember how to find everything and do it, just look back at that. I want you to try do it on your own and see if you can remember. Just a helpful hint. The steps are, step 1, you click download. File downloads onto your computer. Step 2, find the file in your download section. Step 3, copy the file. Step 4, plug in your microbit into your computer. Step 5, locate the microbit file on your computer. Step 6, pasting the microbit file onto your microbit, and then it should load. Now, when you plug in your microbit, it will automatically have your last program that you downloaded it saved. So when you plug it in, if you did the flashing heart one from the last tutorial, that's what will appear. When you download a new file, it'll erase that and put on the new file, the new code. So then you've done that. Once you're done with that, make sure you upload onto Style, your hex file, your screenshot. If you want to have a play around with the Python and the JavaScript, play around as well with what else you can write, show on your microbit. But that is all. I hope you're having fun. I hope you're enjoying it, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.